here is my list of the top 5 baby shower finger foods that I've compiled for you after doing dozens and dozens of baby showers. Number 1 on the list is fruit trays. Fruit trays or fruit kebabs are an excellent table topper. They offer lots of color, variety, and who doesn't love fruit? Number 2 on the top 5 list, veggie trays. You can't have a party without having a veggie tray with ranch dip, French onion dip, or any other dip that you find appealing with vegetables. Number 3 is egg salad. I usually do an egg salad bowl in the middle of a dish, and I add Melba toast around it, or I do toasted mini bagels. It's a great presentation. Everybody seems to love egg salad. Number 4 is chips and dips. Now here's where you can get creative. Most people just put out one type of chip, one type of dip. But if you go and you do about 4 or 5 different dips with 4 or 5 different chips, it really gives you a little bit more food on the tables and a little more color, a little more splash of color. I love color. I love different variations, different textures. It really adds to the tables. And finally, number 5 is the meat and cheese trays. Now here you can use the sliced meat and sliced cheese from the deli, or you can get the cubed meat and the cubed cheese. And you can add the olives and the pickles in the center, or you can cut up fresh veggies and put them between the meats and the cheeses. So there you go. That's my top 5 baby shower finger foods. I'd love to hear your ideas for finger foods. I'm always looking for new things to add to my list. So comment below. Tell me what you think we should add to the list. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.